This is one of those Goan dishes that makes you feel like home even before you taste it. The aroma of coconut, prawns, and lady fingers says it all. Nothing fancy, just the classic Goan Bhende and prawns caldine. Soft lady fingers, juicy prawns, and a mild coconut gravy that goes perfectly with rice, bread, or poi. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. I begin by washing 9 lady fingers and then pat drying them. Then I chopped them into 2 inches. For now, let's keep them aside. Next, in a mixer jar, I'm adding 1 cup of grated coconut, half tablespoon of coriander seeds, 6 cloves, 6 black peppercorns, 4 green chilies, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger peeled, half inch of cinnamon stick, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, handful of fresh coriander leaves washed, and add water as required. Now we will cover with the lid and grind. And here it is, ground. This is what gives that signature caldeen flavor. Now we have to extract the thick coconut milk and the thin coconut milk. This is the thick coconut milk and this is the thin coconut milk. Next, place a kadai on medium flame. Heat little oil in it. I am adding 10 prawns, cleaned, deveined, washed and marinated with salt. We will saute this. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Do check out my other recipes as I have uploaded many recipes on my channel. Once sauteed, we'll transfer this into a bowl. Next, I'm adding 2 chopped onions to the kadai. We will saute it. Once the onions turn translucent, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute. Next goes in 1 chopped tomato. Once the tomatoes turn soft and mushy, add 1 slit green chili, chopped lady fingers. Mix well. Saute. I soaked a small piece of tamarind in water. Then I squeezed the tamarind and now I am pouring the tamarind juice into this kadai. Mix it well. Now goes in the thin coconut milk. I am adding little veg stock powder. If you don't want to add it, you can skip it. Add salt and mix. Now I am adding the fried prawns. We will mix this well. Next goes in the thick coconut milk. Give it a mix. I'll cover with the lid and let it cook. Stir in between. Mix it well and add more salt if required. Once the caldeen starts boiling and the gravy thickens slightly, check if the lady fingers are cooked well. Let it cook for a few more minutes and then switch off the flame. I love how the aroma fills the kitchen when the gravy starts to boil. It's such a light curry, perfect even on hot days. This Goan Bhende and Sungta Caldine turned out so creamy, mild, and flavorful, the kind of meal that makes any day feel special. I usually enjoy it with hot rice and some lime pickle on the side. And for breakfast, I enjoy it with bread. What's your favorite Goan curry with rice? Tell me in the comments below. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.